Man's just posted up. My height, you feel me? No, he not my height, but he tall though. You see the water right here. You see, bro. There's National Geographics right here, y'all. This is special right here. This is, you see the iPhone camera with the focus though? My boy chilling. What's good, bro? How you living, King? I'm assuming you king and not queen. How you living? Bro tried to sneak that food right quick. He trying to sneak into the yard. Look at him. There's National Geographics right here, man. Bro didn't caught the moth slipping like that, bro. And you just gonna smoke the moth like that and just chill? Oh, he done smoked. Oh, that's crazy. This real life geographics, you feel me? He done smoked the moth and he slide. Oh, he done smoked another one. Oh, he's a sniper. He just be sniping these joints. Da-dum, 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 da-dum. Dum-dum. Ba-bum, ba-bum. Ba-bum, ba-bum, ba-bum. 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 Boom, boom. Ba-dum, da-dum, da-dum, da-dum. Da-dum. Da-dum, da-dum, da-dum. Da-dun, da-dun. Da-dun, dun-dun. This bro's son right here, he just chilling. Da-dum. This bro's son right here, look, da-dum. Da-dum. Da-dum, da-dum, da-dum. Da-dum, da-dum. Dum-dum. That's his son just posted up. Go over there with your pops, bro. You out here solo? You a young man. He said, I gotta get it on my own. I ain't mad at you, bro. I ain't mad at you, bro. He getting to it. Bro hit a thorn. Yeah, that thorn sharp. That thing's sharp, bro.